Even though encryption methods provide a secure data communication, it does not prevent someone from knowing that something is being transmitted when intercepted and examined by a third party. So what can be done to hide the actual data within something else in such a way that even when intercepted, the third party will only be able to see the outer cover and not the actual info hidden within? To achieve this, steganography comes into play. The word steganography is derived from a Greek name steganos, meaning hidden or concealed, and graphine, meaning drawing or writing. Steganography, also known as concealed writing, is the practice of hiding a message within another message or a file within another file. When this is used in communication, it reveals nothing on interception. No one apart from the sender and the receiver can identify the existence of the message. Before moving further, let us get a glimpse of how steganography evolved from the past. Demaratus, the king of Sparta, sent a secret message on a tablet covered with wax. When it was received at the other end, the wax was scraped off to recover the message. During World War II, steganography played a vital role in the form of invisible inks, which remained invisible when used for writing. The actual message can be made visible if the document is heated gently. Next came the null cipher. A cipher, as already seen, is a method of encrypting text. Null cipher refers to a method of encryption where the plain text is mixed with the actual message. For example, in this sentence, "Please do not throw sausage pizza away." When the first letters alone are taken into consideration, it gives the first letters of the 7 layers of the OSI model. This is known as null cipher. Next was hiding information in images. Microdots were used to conceal a message. A microdot is a text or an image which is reduced in size to hide its contents, which are then read using magnifiers. Apart from these, with the help of spread spectrum, the data is divided into small pieces, and it is spread over the frequency channel of an audio file. Having gotten an insight about the history of steganography, it's time to get started. Types of steganography. Out of quite a large list of variants, let us stick to these 6 types of steganography. Image steganography, audio steganography, whitespace steganography, email steganography, text steganography, and document steganography.